Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. This is a trip that Steven and I took to Whistler in the summer of 2018. You'll notice on his left arm he has a very bright green cast. Just a few days before we left for this trip, Steven actually fractured his wrist out at the pump track on his dirt jumper. We were able to talk TOC into double wrapping his wrist, and they felt like he would be okay as long as he took it easy, and we set off for our trip. Steven was most excited about riding A-line, and this is a video of him doing just that. Hope you enjoy.
All good. Good to go?
Before you'll see there's like an entrance with an A. Before you'll see the sign on your blue sign on your right. Take that one. It's really easy. Just follow it to the left, and when we'll meet at the road, you see the road.
All right.
A-line time. My big dream. Oh my gosh, just from those two I can tell this is going to be amazing. Oh, I'm so excited, oh my gosh. Even those two were awesome. They're
For me, the first section is the lower gets so dusty that it's a bit of a fight all the time.
Like the lips are so perfect. Like we barely had any speed and it just sent you off. Oh god. Some minis, one of them like did this and almost died.
Y'all can go ahead of me if you want. I'm just rolling through this for the first time, sizing it up.
Alright. Ready to go? Here, Dad.
Okay. So down here, Shawn, it's all stable. Okay. There's no gaps, no gaps.
No gappy dappies.
If you hear people coming behind you faster, just move to one side. Okay. It's the fast has priority here. Okay. On blues is the opposite. Ready?
Oh yeah. I've been waiting for this moment. big yellow jump
Yeah.
about halfway through. That was so awesome. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off.